Hello children. Today video I'm going to make about the exam, because there is a lot of confusion among you that how the exam will be taken. Is online exam, obviously first time we are going to give. So children, you will get the details from the school itself, but for now I want to tell you that you will get the multiple choice questions, and it can be from anywhere. It can be from between the book also. So you have to read. All the lessons have been explained to you very nicely and in detail. So you have to go through the lesson, you have to read the lesson, and you have to learn if you learn the question answers, half of the part is already covered, but you should read the whole chapter, okay? And also you should learn, you must learn actually all the word meanings, book exercise. And suppose if question can come like this, suppose if I take the chapter 1, okay, open lesson 1. Chapter 1 is if I take the first word meaning, ammi. So the meaning is mother, right? It is given, and the meaning of ammi is mother. So it can come like this, that pick out the correct meaning of ammi. Okay, this is the question, and answer you will get 4 options, out of which only one option will be correct. Like example, if the options are, question is pick out the meaning of the word ammi, and 4 options like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother. So what is the correct answer? You know, correct answer is mother. So you will tick on the correct answer. That you will be means you will be told, you will be intimated how you have to tick the answer and all. That is the later part. But for now, I want to tell you this thing only, that multiple choice questions will come and one answer will be correct, and you have to pick, you have to take it, or you have to mark whatever will be asked. You have to choose one correct answer, okay? And the number of questions may be 40 questions may come, and 1.5 hours will be given to you. So likewise you prepare it, and you have to learn the difficult meaning, the spelling also. Like it can come, suppose if I give the example grandmother, okay, question can come like this, pick out the correct spelling, okay? 4 option. Suppose one is GRANDMTHER, second is GRANDMOTHER, third option is GRANDMOTHR, and fourth option is GRNDMOTHER. So the B option was correct, okay, and the A, C and D was wrong. So like this you will pick the correct spelling. So children, you learn the difficult spelling also, okay? And this all the this thing book exercise you have to learn, because it can come like this. Suppose we take the first exercise in chapter 1. Shanu is dash to sleep in the baby's cot. Now answer can be too big, too small, too fat, too heavy. So what is the correct answer? Too big. So you will choose the correct answer, too big, okay? So I hope somewhat is clear to you know. And yes, it can come like this also, children. Suppose if I take this one, yes, first line is there, I can't lift you up, Shanu. Okay, this is the sentence. Now it can come, who said this sentence? And option you will get ammi, Shanu, Abbu, Dadu, like this. So you know the correct answer is ammi. So you will choose the correct option, that is ammi. So like this you have to means read the story, so that it comes like who said this, or it may come like this also, like this, you can't walk to school alone, Shanu. To whom this was said? To whom means किससे बोला गया, okay? Who said this means किसने बोला, and to whom this was said means किससे बोला गया, okay? So you can't walk to school alone, Shanu. So to whom it was said? So option may be to ammi, to abbu, to Shanu, to Dadu. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is to Shanu. So you will pick the correct answer. Okay children, so like this only you have to prepare it. So multiple choice questions will come, and don't worry, it will be easy, it will not be so tough. You just go through the chapter, you read the chapter, you learn the word meanings, and it will be easy for you. See, if you learn it and already the correct answer is given, so it is very easy for you to pick up, right? So you will be able to pick up the right answer. And now children, I want to just revise your exercise part, book exercise part. So today I will take first chapter. Okay, so you all open page number 3, and I will tell the answers and you can match your answers whether you have written right or wrong. Okay children, so I am starting with the lesson 1 chapter, this too big too small, page number 3. Understanding the story. Complete these sentences with too big or too small. Shanu is number 1, too big to sleep in the baby's cot. Number 2, too small to walk to school alone. Number 3, too small to carry the baby. Number 4, too small to make dosas at the stove. Number 5, too big to wear her old pink frock. And number 6, too big to climb up on Dadu's back. Okay, so this is the answers of A1. B is question answer. This you have already got, you have written in your copy, so this I am not matching because only I am going to match book exercise. Now turn your page number 4. Write the missing nouns, singular and plural. So singular means one, plural means many. So number 1, a bin. 3, bins, B-I-N-S, bins. Number 2, a school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. 2, schools, S-C-H-O-O-L-S, schools. A bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. 2 bicycles, C-B-I-C-Y-C-L-E-S, bicycles. 4, a book, B-O-O-K, book, many books. A flower, many flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Okay. Now come to page number 5. Can we count this? Write Y for yes and N for no in the box. So countable and uncountable. So the words, the nouns which we can count, things which we can count are countable nouns, and the nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable noun. Like monkey, monkey you can count, no, 1 monkey, 2 monkey, 3 monkey, 4 monkeys. So we can count. So monkey is yes, we can count. So you write Y. Bottle also you can count, 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 4 bottles. So bottle also yes. Salt you cannot count. You don't say, no, give me 1 salt, give me 2 salt. You say, give me a pinch of salt. Like this you say. So salt is uncountable. You write N, means no. Train we count. There means there are so many 50 trains running. There are 25 trains. Like this we can count the train. No. So yes, it is countable. Money you cannot count. There is always a confusion in children. They write yes for money. Why you can't count money, children? Because see, you can count the rupees, you can count coins, you can count dollars, you can count pounds. Okay, means these money, rupees and coins you can count. But money, which we say it in Hindi, daulat. Okay. I have lot of money. We don't say I have 5 money. You say I have 5 money, I have 2 money, I have 3 money. We don't say. We say we have 500 rupees, we have 2 rupees, we have 5 rupees, we have 10 rupees. So I have 5 paisa coin, I have 10 paisa coin. Okay. So coins and rupees we can count, but money we cannot count. Okay. So you write N for money. It is uncountable. Apple you can count, write Y. Song, yes we can count. There are 5 songs in my cassettes, like this, it is countable. So write yes. Music, no, we cannot count music. So it is N. Food also we cannot, we can count chapatis, we can count pieces of bread, but food as such we cannot count. Okay, मुझे एक खाना दे दो, मुझे 2 खाना दे दो, give me 1 food, give me 2 food. We don't say like that, right? So food is uncountable. Plate, yes, it is countable. So write Y. So again I am repeating: monkey Y, bottle Y, salt N, train Y, money N, apple Y, song Y, music N, food N, plate Y. Now page number 6. Complete the sentences with the correct words from the box. Mehul is dashed to ride the roller coaster. So Mehul is tall enough. Swati is old enough to ride the bus alone. Asif is small enough to fit into this shirt. The luggage is light enough for me to carry. The house is now quiet enough for us to study. Next is, imagine you are Shanu. Complete these sentences with words from the box. I am Shanu. I go to school every day. Abu carries me on his shoulders. Dadi tell me stories. I love my family. Okay, children. So this is the revision which I taken of chapter 1. I hope you have matched all the answers and I hope you have written correctly. So children, please learn everything properly, because in multiple choice question there is no restriction. You can get it from anywhere between the chapters. So again I am telling, please read the full chapter as well as question answers, word meanings and book exercise. I hope it is clear now. Thank you.